What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2025 Nissan Versa using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone settings, open the Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, there's a couple different ways to get to where we need to go, but what I'm going to do is press Menu, then come over here and press Connections, and then Add New. And if you already have 5 devices connected, you'll need to delete one. But I'm going to click Add New. Then I'm going to grab my phone. And under the available devices, we'll see it pop up as My Versa. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen. And ours does, so we'll click Pair. And then this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.